Let me talk about here the TDMA structure. As we know that GSM is combination of FDMA and TDMA, right? So you can see here we have divided our all the frequency or the entire band into 200 kilohertz. That is a channel bandwidth of one GSM. And again, this one frequency you can see we are using by 8 users. So that is how it is possible is, I mean, we give 577 microsecond to each user to occupy this frequency, and then give it to the other user, and this way you can see we can accommodate the 8 users, 0 to 7 user, right? So those you can call it as a time slot. And after that, let's say if my call is going on the second time slot, so you can see that I have to use this time slot just for 577 microsecond. After that I need to give it to user 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again the another user will come, 0 user will come, then again the first 1 user will come, then again I will get my turn. So you can see that from here to here I have to wait for the TDMA frame. So that one TDMA frame means 8 time slot, and that is 8 into 577 microsecond. You will get this 4.615 millisecond. So this is how I will get, I mean, this is what one TDMA frame which has 8 time slot. This is another TDMA frame, right? This is another TDMA frame. So you can see I can give a number to this TDMA frame. You know, this is a frame number 0, this is your frame number 1, this is frame number 2. Like this it goes up to certain 27 million or something, and then again it will reset to the 0 number and goes up to that much of number. We'll see more about the TDMA frame, then the multi-frame and super frame and hyper frame. So how this is possible, you know, as let me summarize this what we discussed so far in this slide. Let's say for example we have one TDMA frame, the first one, and you know, in each TDMA frame we got a 8 time slot now, so we can accommodate the 8 user. Then this another TDMA frame will come, again we have 8 time slot, right? And this is what 8 time slot. Then let me change the color for third TDMA frame. So this is another 8 time slots. Okay, now so this is how it will come, you know. This is a frame number 1, frame number 1. Instead of 1 let me give 0. It's a frame number 1. This is frame number, sorry, frame number 2. This way it will keep going, you know. Now here if I got the time slot number, let's say just for you know, understanding, I got the time slot number. Let's say give a time slot number also. Let's give a time slot number. This total is 8. Let me start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again 0, 1, 2, it goes up to 8. Then again here is a 0, 1, 2, it goes up to, sorry, this goes up to 7 only, because 0 to 7 means 8 time slot. So you can see here, and if my call is going on let's say time slot number 1, so here for example we have, as you know, that we have a 2 frequency, one for downlink. So this is for downlink frequency, and we have uplink frequency. So we must have the same TDMA frame in the uplink also, right? But just for your information and understanding, the uplink is 3 time slot delay, you know. So uplink will start from here. So you can see uplink will go up to here. This is first TDMA frame in uplink. Okay, then let me change color. This other TDMA frame. Then we have another TDMA frame. This is a third TDMA frame. Okay, now again here we have 8 time slot. So these are the 8 time slot in TDMA frame. So this I'm drawing the uplink TDMA frame, okay, because you know that means we have a pair of frequency, right? So this is for uplink, and here also this is frame number 0, this is 1, this is 2, like this it keep going. So you can see here, if I am on a time slot number 1, so let me draw myself. Where is this is where I am. So this is where I am. This is the phone. Okay, you can see this 0 time slot is not belongs to me, so I don't need to go and listen anything on 0. So I'm more interested here. So I'll get the time slot number 1. This is my time slot, so I can receive, and then you can see. Okay, so let me give a number here also. This is 0 number 1 2 up to 7, 0 1 2 to 7, 0 1 2 up to 7, right? So this is what my one time slot here. This is the same time slot in uplink. So as I said, this is a pair of frequency. Now you can see here I am receiving, and that is on my downlink frequency. Let's say my frequency in the downlink is F1, and this is downlink, so I'll just say F1 in the downlink. So downlink F1, so I receive here, and now the second time slot is not mine. So let's say this is not I am using, so let me just cross that. So I am not using this. This is I supposed to not use, because this is not my time slot. So now this also I should not use, right? So you can see that you have to align this TDMA frame. Okay, now you can see, now I need to transmit here. So I was in the downlink frequency F1. Now I need to tune my local oscillator to change the frequency from downlink to uplink F1. So let me just put a dash for this F1. So now what I will do is, I will transmit. So here I will transmit, and then again, so here I will transmit. So I will not listen anyway. This is not my time slot, this is not my time slot, not here, not here. And now after that I will not do anything uplink here also, right? But after this, here somewhere here, I need to change now from uplink to downlink frequency, because I need to start now. I need to start listening this time slot. So this is again my time slot has repeated here. So this is my turn now. I need to change, and here what I need to receive. Again, like the same way what I explain you, I have to transmit here. This is my uplink, right? So this is what I do. I mean, you can see here the downlink and uplink. Your uplink TDMA frame has a 3 time slot delay, right? So your uplink TDMA frame got a 3 time slot delay, and the primary reason behind that is the mobile has only one RF circuit. So we have only one antenna, we have only one oscillator. So when we download, we cannot, when we listening the downlink, we cannot transmit anything in the uplink. So when we download, after that we have to switch the frequency, we have to go to the transmit part, then again we switch to receive. So like we transmit or we receive, we cannot do both simultaneously. That's what the phone has a limitation, right? So this is very much important to understand. So this, remember this 3 time slot delay is there between downlink and uplink. Okay.